Students, welcome. Good morning to all of you. Here we are discussing the part of in continuation of the target molecules. If we are having this target molecule, again we are having the provided such types of the target molecule is here. This is what. So, as you can say, this is a molecule, this molecule will written in this form. This is what 6 member fused oxygen containing fused heterocycles. This is called as the coumarin. This is known as the cinnamic acid. So, what is the part of the analysis? These are the target molecules, this one is the target molecules. What is the analysis plan? What is the analysis plan of given target molecules? That is the alpha beta unsaturated acid. If the alpha beta unsaturated acid, if you are in this CC disconnection, if you have the CC disconnection, as you can see double bond C disconnection is takes place, then what happen? The given compound which contain this alpha beta unsaturated acid and this, what is the synthetic equivalent of such types of the acid? This acid having what? You can take C double bond OOH. This can see the malonic acid, or the best way it is what acetic anhydride AC2O. These are the synthetic equivalents, though these are the benzaldehyde. These are the benzaldehyde. Again, if you have to break this CC bond and this again the CO bond. So, at a time you can take the CC as well as CO bond is disconnect. So, what happen? What is the plan of analysis of coumarin molecules? That is going to the formation of orthohydroxy. This O negatively charged can create, this is the O negative charge and this is the COOH, these are the CHO aldehyde. So, as you can say, in presence of acidic condition, that is the sodium salt of the salicylaldehyde. Again, you can take this is the sodium salt, or directly you can take synthetic equivalent, that is salicylaldehyde. The salicylaldehyde is a starting reactor molecules. As we have been analysis in the plan of the analysis, we synthesize, we give the analysis plan of the salicylaldehyde, and another way, another reagents, that is the cinnamic, this again is acetic anhydride. As you can say, this similar way acetic anhydride. So, here we have been provided acetic anhydride and aldehyde is there. So, aromatic aldehyde, and as we know that as the plan of the synthesis, if you have the plan of the synthesis, this aromatic aldehyde in the plan of synthesis, what happen? In the plan of synthesis, aromatic aldehyde, this is benzaldehyde is treated with what? Acetic anhydride. It is treated with acetic anhydride in presence of AC2O, as you can say CH3COH, CH3COO negative charge, or you can, this is the basic condition. Hydrolysis, after hydrolysis in acidic condition, then what happen? There is formation of what? There is formation of what? Given target compound, that is cinnamic acid. So, that is called as alpha beta unsaturated. So, these are what plan of the synthesis. Here the plan of synthesis starting from what? Benzaldehyde and acetic anhydride in a basic condition, and the final step acidic hydrolysis in acidic condition, formation of the target molecules. Again, next plan, next way, this synthesis. What is the plan of the synthesis? If you have the starting reactant molecule is what? Cinnamaldehyde. This cinnamaldehyde, as you can say CHO, and this is the OH. So, this cinnamic acid is treated with what? AC2O, acetic anhydride in presence of the basic condition, acetic anhydride in presence of the basic condition, and the last step finally acidic hydrolysis and formation of what here? Coumarin. So, these are the application. Formation of the coumarin is the application of what? One of the name of the reaction, that is called as what? Perkin synthesis, as you can say Perkin. So, this Perkin reaction, as you can say, this Perkin reaction is the application of formation of cinnamic acid. So, these are the Perkin scientist, as we can say the scientist scientist William Henry Perkin, scientist William Henry Perkins. So, the Perkin reactions, in Perkin reaction formation of the cinnamic acid is the product, cinnamic acid is the product, and same thing is that in the Stokes reaction, the Stokes reaction, in Stokes reaction also, so in Stokes reaction get the malonic anhydride, this is malonic acid. So malonic ester or malonic anhydride as a starting reactant of the Stokes reaction, but Perkin reaction, aromatic aldehyde and acetic anhydride in basic condition, formation of the cinnamic acid. So here one of the application of formation of the coumarin is the application of what Perkin reaction starting from salicylaldehyde and acetic anhydride, So these are via the condensation reactions. Here the between two molecules the condensation, as you can say, this is the condensation way the route is applied, that is aldol condensation reaction. So these are the part of for the preparation, or we can say synthesis of what cinnamic acid starting from what aromatic aldehyde and acetic anhydride. So here these types of the compound, it is the coumarin. Those three coumarin molecules are the 6 member fused oxygen containing heterocyclic compound, which may be prepared starting from what this acetic anhydride and what this orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. So this orthohydroxybenzaldehyde, it is called as what it is common name, as you can say, this is 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde or orthohydroxybenzaldehyde, it is known as what salicylaldehyde. Here one of the plan is, we can say this analysis followed by synthesis is known as what retrosynthesis of given target molecules.